Looking to customize your mouse settings on Windows 11? I'll guide you on how to change speed and sensitivity. Stay tuned for a quick and easy way to enhance your pointing device experience. Press simultaneously Windows plus I, go to Bluetooth and Devices, then navigate to Mouse. Look at the mouse pointer speed option, then adjust the slider according to your needs. Open again the Settings menu by pressing simultaneously Windows plus I. Click on Bluetooth and Devices section, then navigate to Mouse. From this page, you can also choose to adjust the scrolling settings. In these terms, consider the following options. Roll the mouse wheel to scroll, where you can choose from multiple lines at a time or one screen at a time. Adjust the lines to scroll at a time slider. Enable or disable the scroll in active windows when hovering over them option. Hit the Windows key, then type Control Panel and open it. Navigate to the Hardware and Sound section. Look at the Devices and Printers section, then click on Mouse. Click on the Pointer Options tab. Here, you can adjust certain specifications, such as motion or visibility. Click on the Apply button, then on OK. Follow the first three steps as in the previous solution. In the Mouse Properties window, instead of Pointer Options tab, select the Buttons one. Here you'll find three more options. The Button Configuration, which allows you to switch the primary and secondary buttons, the double-click speed, and the click lock. After you made the changes, click on Apply, then on OK. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.